Hello everybody. Today I want to talk with you about how to control a smart TV with Android phone with our remote control. Now, let me show you. Doesn't matter if you have Android or iPhone, okay? Now, can you see that this is my LG TV and this is my phone, okay? And let me show you how can I put here less volume or more volume. Or example, this is Twitch. I want watch now Netflix. I put here in apps Netflix. It's so easy and really fast. Now, how you can do that? You need to find. This is iPhone, I know, but you can find different apps in Android or iPhone. Doesn't matter. You can use like example here. Put in your search bar. Hisense Smart TV Remote or LG Smart TV Remote or Samsung Smart TV Remote, doesn't matter. Or you can find Universal Remote Control, okay, is the better option. These have a lot reviews, positive reviews, 2000 reviews. Or let me show you another with a lot of reviews. I lost that app, doesn't matter. A lot reviews Universal TV. Now you can find different apps in your Android on your iPhone and use with your TV. Is the most important thing here and the most easier way. Now this is all for this video. Sorry for my bad English and have a good day. See you later.